Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge duplicate contacts in Wave. This helps you to keep your customers and vendor list clean and organized. Let's get started. First, log into your Wave accounts and then go to the Sales tab on the left hand side and then click on Customers. Look through your list and identify any duplicate names, or maybe a client was added twice by accident or imported from another system. Now, here's the key thing to note. Wave does not currently offer a one-click merge feature, but don't worry, there's a manual workaround that works just as well. So start by choosing the duplicate that you want to keep, open their profile, and then take note of the important details like contact information, address, tax settings, and payment history. And then go to the duplicate profile that you want to remove. If it has any invoices or transactions, you'll need to reassign those transactions to the main profile. You can do this by editing each invoice and changing the customer field. Once all activities have been removed, go back to the duplicate profile and click Edit. Then scroll to the bottom and select Delete Customer. Repeat the process if you have more than 2 duplicates. This method ensures that you keep your history intact while removing clutter from your customer list. And that's how you clean up duplicates in Wave. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.